I'm completely obsessed with healthy food, especially when it comes to breakfast. So today I'm gonna share a super nutritious, loaded with protein, the simple yet mouth-watering crepe recipe, or wraps, or cheela, chilla, pancake, whatever you call it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. I've taken 2 cups of these highly nutritious black-eyed peas. These are also called as soybeans, golden beans, lobia, and many other names. I've washed it thoroughly under running water and now I'm gonna soak it overnight. Alright, so this is the next morning and see how nicely these are soaked up. So guys, if you don't have enough time, you can also soak it for 5 to 6 hours in hot water, but I would recommend you to do it overnight because overnight soaking works the best for any bean. Now I'm gonna grind these soya beans. So add 2 green chilies, 5-6 garlic cloves, half teaspoon asafoetida and salt. Then blend everything together into a fine paste. Okay, now add some cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder, and of course, some salt. Now mix everything together, and yes, don't forget to add some cilantro or coriander leaves. There we go. So now our batter is all set. So turn on the gas stove and place a pan or a tawa. If possible, guys, please use cast iron or iron vessel instead of non-stick ones. Keep couple of ladles or tablespoons of batter and spread it evenly into a nice round shape like so. Cook for 3-4 minutes on one side and then carefully flip it over to the other one. There we go. Now cook for another 3-4 minutes on the other side and then we'll be almost done. So that's it guys, our yummy and wholesome breakfast is ready to be served. Look how tempting it is looking. It has a light brown crispy crust on the outer side and is absolutely soft from inside. Well, I'm hungry and can't wait anymore, so I'm gonna enjoy my cheelas with some green chutney as well as coconut chutney by the side. Now, if you notice, even the chutneys are also super healthy. So, if possible, use fresh homemade dips or chutneys instead of those store bought ketchups or sauces. That's all for today. Bye bye.